Yeah. Alright.
What? I can't talk about straight.
Ah.
I was trying to thank you.
Me cook. So me know say no rotten onion there in a different.
Whiskers, Kimonie here, the face behind Golden Whisk, and welcome back to my channel. On the thumbnail and the title, you guys already know what I'm doing, so I'm just get into it. Girl, kinda excited because I never done a prank before, and I hope it turn out how I want it to turn out. Anyway, this is the weekend of August 22nd. I'm home alone, even though it's a no movement weekend till Tuesday, because Ali brought the kids to, well, not kids, Alan and Dominic to get their back to school vaccine, and so girl home alone. Now, I'm gonna decide to prank them. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to make a realistic onion cake and put it in the crisper in the vegetable basket and hope that I can trick them into using it. Depending on how the day is going, Ali's coming back to make lasagna for dinner. So, I'm probably ever want onions, and my hope say, yeah, I'm kind of excited. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I have two ideas. One will probably have to be done overnight for it to sit and stuff. The other one, I'm hoping I can utilize the dehydrator so that I can done before them come. Yeah, outside cool. We all see this. That's fine. Let's do this. Okay, so I can't really call them to tell them to tell me when they're coming home because I don't usually do that, and they are going to suspect something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call him now to find out if the line at the clinic is long, and so I can kind of gauge it because I did my vaccine 2 weeks ago and there weren't a lot of people, but I still was there for like an hour. So I'm going to call him, find out that, and see if I can like estimate the time. I tried to paint wafer paper on this, not wanting it to stick to my hands or anything. It's completely stuck, and so the idea I had worked though. I'm going to try again and see if I can get it like paint it in my hand or something. But no, let's see how this works out. It's more of this color. You have to see it because it's on the onion. So, as in more yellowy. So I hope that it's, I don't know if I want to use this. Like, it looks real, but to me it's a little dark. I don't know yet. I'm going to call them and find out if they're getting through or if they got like a number or something. I have 30 more minutes before the second layer dries. So I'm hoping maybe another hour or so before they get here. So I'll be back. Okay, my room is darkish, but I was literally filming that last part about getting a voicemail when I called them, and I heard them pulling the gate upstairs because I was in the kitchen and the dehydrator is so loud I didn't hear the grill, the gate upstairs, so I had to run. I literally have the plate with the onion cake in my room right now and the shells that are dry, but the dehydrator is still running with the other onion I'm just hoping. I'm coming! I'm just hoping I don't get curious and like go check to see what's dehydrating. Hold on.
Yeah? Alright.
What?
That's what frustrating.
I was trying to prank you. It's an onion. I thought you wouldn't notice.
I did not try.
I was doing it while you guys were gone, and then before I could assemble it, me hear the grill open, so I had to put it together really fast. And so it's not as neat as I wanted it to be. So I put it down and something I say, me come in a cook see how long it take it for you.
So what?
The onion fake. So me
No,
wait
but this I couldn't look like an onion with fake.
what it look like?
I don't know.
You don't know what
No,
it
that
looks
look like it look like a fruit where
A fruit?
a rotten fruit like was one
You know look like my onion?
No please.
I don't know look like my onion?
No man.
Alana! Come here!
That don't look like an onion.
It look like my onion. I said to one of my friends, I'm like, tell me what's wrong with this picture. He's like, man, it's not wrong. So I said, okay.
No, damn thing. Does this look like, come here. What does this look like?
I don't know.
Alright, if you're cooking, what that look like?
Nothing. What? It doesn't look like anything. It just looks like a ball of something.
Let me say, kind of look like a fruit. It's an onion, rotten onion. Rotten onion.
Is there onion in there?
No onion there?
Yeah, onion there.
Oh, so you put it there for me?
Yeah.
But here the plan now. Remember say, me never take this out of the fridge. Donkey, you should have put this in here so I left in the
No,
fridge.
I thought about that, but I didn't know how the condensation would affect this, that.
Oh. Because here the plan you know. If you there so me no say no me put this here sir. So me that technically I go in the
No, that was the original plan for me to put it in the fridge, but me I say, after me think about it, me I say, me don't know how it will look. I think it does look like an onion.
The color is too dark.
I thought about that too.
The color too dark.
But
Because technically when onion rotten, you know have the something in pan you know. Remember say they not peel off the excess brown to the white part of the
I don't know if I've ever seen a rotten onion.
That look like a rotten onion ma.
It doesn't look like an onion overall.
No. Oh, before the onion peel off to the something they
Yes.
probably could have worked. Guess what the plan?
What plan?
You me cook. So then we say no rotten onion in the fridge.
Saying me a laugh after me because apparently it don't look like a rotten onion and he wouldn't take up a thinking say the onion rotten. So you're a disappointment, Ali. If you have any prank ideas that is better than this one, I'm still orange and yellow, then let me know down below in the comment section. If this did fool you, then let me know that as well because I didn't understand.
Never fool you,
Shut up. Yeah. Sure. Either way, that's it. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Until then, stay golden.
This is what onion does to you. Yeah, real onion.